Hey, what's up guys? This is Jimmy, and today I'm just going to do a really fast unboxing of the Suorin Air. I got a replacement pod for the drop, and my friend got a replacement pod for his Suorin Air. But I don't even know, whatever that came with it, but that's the replacement pod. I already de-wrapped it because that took like freaking 5 minutes. But here you go. You get this. This plastic that comes out. And there it is. Suorin Air. And I just tried to put on the pod, but I really couldn't, and it was really just messing me up. Like, I can't put it on, and I don't want to break it. So I'm just gonna wait for my girlfriend to get here so I don't get in trouble for it if I break it. But yeah, there you go. I will be doing a review on it as soon as I know how to put the pod on. And you might be thinking like, oh, it's just you put it on. But no, like literally, like it doesn't go on right. I can't figure that out, and I really don't want to mess it up. So, oh wait, no, dude. See, like, what the fuck? I'm not breaking this thing. But there you go. That's the unboxing. It looks pretty cool, and a review will be up very shortly. Have a great day.